Welcome to DearWalk School's monthly news bulletin. I am Darsha Shastra from class of 2026, bringing you top headlines from across DearWalk Super School from the month of Kartik. Here are the headlines. Inter DearWalk Debate Championship 2082, Teachers Together 6th edition, Academic and Creative Achievements, Big Sibling Initiative, Community Engagement and Outdoor Learning, All Hands Meeting. Let's begin with our first story. The academic spotlight this month was on the Inter DearWalk Debate Championship. Let's take you into the details through our reporter Samiha Nepal.
DearWalk Schools hosted the Inter DearWalk Debate Championship 2082, bringing together 9 finalists from Thading, Pokhara and Sifal. Students competed in English and Nepali categories with motions. Brains in books help navigate life better than smarts on the street for English, and Desh Vikas Nahunama Janta Doshi Ki Neta for Nepali. Pasang Doma Sherpa from DearWalk Sifal won the English champion title, while Janisha Gujral from DearWalk Thading took the Nepali title. The certificates and the awards were presented by Mr. Hitesh Karki, chairperson of the DearWalk group, while the running shields for each schools were provided by Mr. Rudraj Pandey, the founder of DearWalk group.
Educators from across the country gathered for this year's Teachers Together conference. Here's a closer look.
More than 70 educators from over 35 schools participated in the 6th edition of Teachers Together. Keynote sessions included Dr. Roshi Lamishane on empowering educators through transformative approaches, Dr. Bhojraj Khimire on integrating AI for personalized learning, interactive workshops focused on storytelling, inclusive teaching, leadership through play, and effective AI integration. The event emphasized collaboration, innovation, and lifelong learning.
The spirit of sportsmanship shone brightly as the DearWalk Sports Meet reached its finale. Let's find out what happened.
The grand finale of the DearWalk School's sports meet took place at Army Club Lavankhel. Activities included a coordinated march past, a colorful pom-pom dance, relay races, football matches, and games involving enthusiastic parents. Mechi House emerged victorious, taking home the Shield Award presented by Mr. Hitesh Karki. The event reflected teamwork, discipline, and healthy competition.
This month's academic and artistic highlights showcased remarkable student talent. Here's the full report.
Grades 11 and 12 received their first term results, with parents engaging in constructive discussions to support student progress. In the essay writing competition 2082, students explored themes such as Parivartan, Prakriti, Sapana, and the voice of Gen Z shaping Nepal's political future. The open mic night brought together performers from grade 9 to 12 featuring music, poetry, and creative expressions, making it an evening full of energy and confidence.
Students in the elementary school continued a heartwarming tradition through the Big Sibling Initiative. Here's how it unfolded.
Teachers reported high levels of curiosity, teamwork. The initiative strengthened empathy, communication, and leadership among older students while nurturing joy and excitement in the younger ones.
DearWalk students step outside the classroom for meaningful community and outdoor learning experiences. Let's hear more. This month saw strong student participation in a series of hands-on learning activities across the school. Students engaged enthusiastically in practical tasks designed to enhance real-world understanding. The Plus 2 Social Service Club led meaningful cleanliness campaign at Bageswari and Tamdeshwar temples.
Students collected waste, cleaned temple surroundings, and interacted with community members to promote environmental responsibility. The campaign aimed at preserving the sanctity of heritage sites with instilling civic awareness among participants. Students also shared messages on keeping public spaces clean and respecting cultural landmarks.
The class of 2027 successfully completed a scenic and educational hike from Godavari to Lakudi Banjang.
Along the trail, students explored local biodiversity and discussed environmental conservation with their teachers. The hike also promoted physical wellness, resilience, and teamwork. Participants described the experience as refreshing and motivating.
Grade 1 students took part in an exciting educational visit to Central Horticulture Center in Pritipur.
During the visit, students observed a variety of plants, learned about vermicomposting, and understood how earthworms contribute to soil health. Hands-on demonstrations helped young learners grasp the importance of environmental care and sustainable practices. Teachers noted that the students were highly engaged and curious throughout.
To conclude our coverage, leaders and teachers from all campuses came together for the annual All Hands meeting. Here's the update.
The All Hands meeting held on November 7 brought together representatives from Sifal, Thading, Pokhara, and Bharatpur. Led by founder and chairperson Emeritus Rudra Ras Pandey, the gathering focused on aligning goals, strengthening collaboration, and reaffirming DeoWorks' commit quality education.
That brings us to the end of this month's DeoWorks School Bulletin. From academics and arts to sports and service, our students and educators continue to shine across every field. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back next month with more updates.